morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the class. Today's our class is story. In yesterday we had discussed will the boat float story, right? So in yesterday class, let us recap what we had discussed in yesterday's story. Okay. So all of you say, children, what is the title of our story? Will the boat float? Will the boat float means what is that? If boat will move in the water or not, right? Okay, let us recap, children, yesterday's class, and after that let us start. So I already said you that there were four friends, right? Who are those? Cow, dog, rat, pig, right? These four all are friends, and one day they have planned to go to city. They want to go to the city. So they have planned to go to the city, right? Okay. So if they want to go to the city from village to city, they have to cross the river. They have to cross the river. On the river spot, they found a small boat, right? They found a small boat. After finding the small boat, first cow gets into the boat. So first cow gets into the boat. See here, first cow gets into the boat. After getting into the boat, here there was a question. If cow gets into a boat, will the boat float? The cow gets into the boat. Will the boat float? Means after cow enters into the boat or gets into the boat, is the boat will move forward or not? Okay? Up to here we have discussed in yesterday class. Okay? So continue of the yesterday's class. Next one is, okay, already cow gets into the boat. So you can see here, cow gets into the boat, right? Next it's turned to the pig. Next pig gets into the boat. Next pig gets into the boat. Okay, after cow gets into the boat, the next turn is to pig. So now pigs gets into the boat. When in the boat, now how many friends are there? Two friends. What are they? One is cow and another one is pig, right? When both are in the boat, will the boat float? So now question was, will the boat float? When pig and cow gets into the boat, then will boat moves or not? Next, after, see here, cow and pig already gets into the boat. Next it turns to dog. Then the dog gets into the boat. Then the dog gets into the boat. After cow and pig getting into the boat, next it turns to dog. Dog also gets into the boat. Okay. Next, same question. The boat floats. When only three friends are in the boat, will the boat able to move forward or not? Okay, children. Here, how many friends gets into the boat, children? See, three, right? What are they? Cow, pig, and dog. Now, which one is left? Rat is left, right? Now, which one is left? Rat is left. So, rat says that it's my turn. It's my turn, says the rat. So, already cow, pig, dog gets into the boat. Now rat says that it's my turn. to get into the boat, and he runs fastly and jumps into the boat Okay, finally the rat jumps into the boat. So rat said that now it's my turn to get into the boat. So rat is so excited and he runs and jumps into the boat. See here, you can see the rat picture. What rat is doing? Rat is jumping into the boat, right? Okay, let us see what happened next. Okay, see, after rat getting into the boat was reversed. Here, boat was sinking. Sinking means muligipotundi boat. Okay, when these four friends gets into the boat is sinking in the river. See here, you can observe the pictures. Boat is going down to the river. Okay, will the boat float? If boat sinking in the river, boat will move forward, children? No, right? No. Then no, it does not. Boat does not move or float. The boat shrinks. Boat was shrinks because it is going down to the water. It is going down to the water. Adi water lo munigipotundi boat. See, observe children, right? Boat water lo munigipotundi. Danni shrinks antam. Boat was shrinks. Then they all get out of the water. When boat was shrink, these four friends also shrink in the river, right? See, they all fell down in the water. See, cow, dog, pig, rat. They all fell down in the water, and they all get out of the water, and they all are coming out from the water. Okay, children. Next, see, they all came out of from the water. See, they all came out of from the water, right? Right. See here, but rat is seeing the balloons. So someone is selling the balloons. Rat wants to buy the balloons, but here dog, cow, pig are thinking how we will cross the river. These three are thinking how we will cross the river. If they won't cross the river, they won't reach the city, right? If they won't cross the river, they won't reach the city. So what is their plan? They want to go to the city. If they can't cross the river, how they can reach the city? So these three are thinking what we have to do now. But see, the rat wants to buy the balloons. Now, how will they cross the river? So what is the question is, now how will they cross the river? Without boat, now how will they cross the river and how they go to the city? That was the question. Okay, children, this is about story. Okay, all of you listen story, right? Now I was asking you a question. Now how will they cross the river? So this is your question, means now after shrinks the boat, now how these all cross the river, children? So this is the question. Just think what they can do. So how they can cross the river? Okay, one may have one idea. Okay, so think about that and say to me. Okay, I will say the answer in tomorrow. Okay, you all children share your ideas with me. Okay, children, this is about the story. Okay, this is not the end of the story. We have to give the answer how they cross the river. Okay, జస్ట్ థింక్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్లేస్, మీరే కనుక ఆ ప్లేస్లో ఉండుంటే మీరేం చేస్తారు ఆ బోట్ని క్రాస్ చేయడానికి? జస్ట్ థింక్ అండ్ షేర్ యువర్ ఐడియాస్ విత్ మీ. ఓకే, టుమారో మార్నింగ్ I will say you the answer. Okay children, this is about today's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.